Should do this for a living, mate.
All right, so I'm just going to go here. What did I hear?
That's dangerous, isn't it? You're probably going twice as hard.
No, I'm not. I'm not going to hurt you, mate. We'll get to a pain level of 10 and you'll be happy.
Yeah.
Hi guys, Fonzie here. I'm here with Ninja in his treating room with a beautiful window and the sun streaming in. It's absolutely wonderful to be here. So what we're doing this morning is basically your calves and your soleus muscle. Important for athletes, footballers and soccer players, whatever it may be, to make sure that they're treated and they're functioning well. And if you have any tightness, it's going to limit your ability to play your game. So I'm going to be treating those muscles on Ninja, and then what we'll do is do a couple of exercises just to show what people can do in order to help them. Okay, just to strengthen those muscles. And also this part of your muscles is really important to strengthen because it helps pump the blood back up to your heart. So that needs to be really strong and active in order to aid the functionality of your body. So I'm going to start with Ninja, and first thing I will do with him is basically I'm going to sink in. So the gastroc, his calf muscle is this area here, and his soleus is along here, which sits underneath the gastrocs, okay? So I'll just be applying a little bit of pressure here. I'm loving the sun, Ninja.
Beautiful, isn't it, man?
It's absolutely beautiful.
Life force, isn't it, mate?
It's wonderful.
Feel totally different, don't you, when the sun's out and it's on your skin?
Exactly. I can stay all day.
Yeah.
All right.
Wow.
So just sink in, just connect with the tissue well.
Sorry for interrupting your video, guys, but I want to talk to you about the MMT Online Academy. So you might have been looking at Ninja and I doing our stuff for a long time now, thinking, how good would it be to work at MMT? But you might be overseas. This is your chance to get exclusive content updates from us every single day to make you a better practitioner, more new customers, better results, and skyrocket your income. So if you want to be on the inner sanctum, get into the Academy. All you got to do is dedicate 5 minutes a day to making yourself better, and it's just 28 bucks per month. How good's that? $7 a week. Let's go.
Get a bit of traction there, and just slowly glide up. So all I'm concentrating here at the moment is the soleus muscle. So I'm going to stop about here.
Yeah.
You okay, mate?
Yeah. It's good. It's great. Good connection, man.
All right. So
You should do this for a living, mate.
All right, so I'm just going to go here. What did I hear?
That's dangerous, isn't it? You're probably... He's fucking going twice as hard.
No, I'm not. I'm not going to hurt you, mate. We'll get to a pain level of 10 and you'll be happy.
Yeah.
Okay, so just do that. Just a couple of easy glides. All I'm doing is just warming up the muscle. I'm going to do one small Ninja, and then I'm going to turn your foot in order to work more effectively on your soleus muscle.
Whoa, that's good, man.
So when you come over and you book with me, this is what you can expect for me to do on your calves and soleus.
Feels amazing, man.
Yeah. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Just know, don't you?
You do know, and you can feel the muscle in your hand.
Yeah.
All right. So what I'm going to do now, Ninja, is I'm going to rotate your foot like that. I want you to rotate it that way. Okay, now that's better. And I'm going to work in the groove here. Okay? Just through there.
Whoa. Connection.
What's the pressure like?
Yeah, good, man.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right, just slowly.
I thought it was going to be intense.
Just work the length of that muscle. And you may feel somewhere along the line like a bit of a blockage. You just stay on that muscle. Wait for it to just melt away. That's it. And just continue on. Yeah. That's not too much, is it?
No, that's fine, mate. It's good.
So they're definitely there.
Good connection. Good. Good.
Good. Now there's something there, definitely. I can
Yeah,
feel
yeah.
it.
Feel the block.
Yep, I do.
Speed
Just
hump.
want to unblock it.
Yeah.
That's good. Just concentrate on your breathing too, Ninja. Just breathe in and breathe out. Don't focus on the pain. Just focus on your breathing. And breathe slowly, not fast. Yeah, something there, definitely. I can feel that. Looks like Ninja's been neglecting his soleus.
Yeah.
Thankfully, I was here this morning, Ninja.
Mate, you're a saviour. I'm a victim. You come along and save me. I was a victim of bloody tight calves.
Just like that song says.
What is it?
Call out my name, and I'll be there.
Yeah.
You just call.
That's it.
Right there. Oh, something there.
It's good, man.
You can feel that.
It's great.
You're doing well, mate.
Yeah.
You're doing well. But definitely something's there.
It's good. So we can expect some lines from songs if we come and get treated by you, can we?
Singing.
Yeah, you're a singer, aren't you? Singer-songwriter, guitarist. He's going to do a world tour pretty soon. Bringing out his hit single, the MMT jingle. We're going to do a film clip. Yeah, I'll do a nudie run across the oval.
No, you don't want to do that, mate.
I'm going to get some views on it, mate. Yeah.
You want to...
You went a bit quiet there.
You don't want indecent exposure.
No, we'll pixelate it out.
The problem is you can't do that in live, though.
Why not?
Okay.
That.
All right, doing well, mate.
It's your human body.
Yeah, I know.
We shouldn't have shame, should we?
I know. It just needs fig leaves.
Fig leaves.
Here we go. I know, something there.
Yeah, mate.
Feel
It's
it.
awesome. So good. How's your lifting going, Farnsey? You been coming regularly to the lift club?
Oh, loving
this year?
Loving it. I actually, I feel good. I feel strong. I feel in a better place than what I was 6 months ago. I can tell you that.
Yeah.
So, I recommend anyone around the area of Ferntree Gully that wants to come have a bit of fun and just increase their fitness and become stronger, I'd encourage you to come to our lift clubs. It's a great atmosphere.
Yeah. It's community, isn't it?
Yeah.
Culture. We've got good culture.
Yeah.
It's healthy.
And I felt like it was only about a week or 2 weeks ago. I was running up steps to go at home, and I felt I could do it easily.
Yeah.
And that's all to do with the lift club.
Yeah.
All right.
It's good. It's practical stuff, isn't it?
Exactly, mate. Yeah. Exactly. Okay.
Yeah.
Rotate your foot this way. Okay. Now we'll do the medial side of it. All right. You ready?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Just in there.
You're a testament. What you had? Someone guessed your age was 40.
I know, wasn't it amazing?
Yeah, and you said, "Nah, I'm 38."
No, I'm 38. I was insulted.
And she thought you were being honest.
She couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
That's my biological age.
Yeah, it is. You're 38 with a 34-year-old son.
Yeah, exactly.
You started early.
Started early.
Yeah.
You got something there, Ninja.
Yeah, mate.
Feel that? You feel that?
Yeah, man. You're on to me. The shin splints.
I just want to clean that pathway.
Oh,
right there.
So good. Melting it off that bone. Oh, mate.
Sorry, mate.
It's a very distinct feeling, this shin stuff. It's sort of different pain to anywhere else on the body.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
It is a sensitive part. I just want to just clean out the blockages.
Yeah. When you go slow, you can handle it.
Yeah.
It's good.
Because when you race through it, that's when, your body tenses up and you can't do any effective work.
Yeah.
Right there. Right in there,
man.
Ninja.
That's good, man.
Right
You're onto it. You're tuned in.
Right against the bone.
It's like playing a guitar for you, isn't it?
like playing guitar.
Yeah. You just feel into it.
It's just that I don't press on the strings that hard.
Yeah. You're still tuned in, man.
All right, beautiful. Just once more, Ninja.
Yeah.
Once more.
He's determined to fix me.
Sorry, mate?
You're determined to fix me. You're on a mission, aren't you?
I am on a mission.
Yeah.
I'm on a mission.
He's on a mission. Ever since he's stepped foot in this building, you've been on a mission, haven't you?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Doing the work.
I want to be, honestly, I want to be the best therapist.
Yeah.
I really do.
Yeah. Leaving this world a better place, aren't we? Like.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Getting people out of pain where they don't necessarily need to be in it.
Do you know how nice it is when you treat someone and you hear from them that they've been able to feel much better and able to do things that they couldn't do before.
Beautiful.
And it's just absolutely enjoyable.
Yeah.
So
priceless.
It's uplifting actually for me personally.
Yeah, it's priceless, mate.
Meaningful.
Yep. Yeah, that's how we really get paid, isn't it? By
exactly
the results, you know. So yeah. And we just know there's going to be a ripple-on effect as well. Like the people around them are not going to be as burdened by the person that having to do things for them or help them out or listen to their woes.
Exactly.
Things like that. So some of the best compliments ever have been from partners. Thanks so much. He hasn't been in such a crabby mood, or all these kind of things. You know, he's just been so grumpy since you fixed his neck or his back or whatever. He can get out and run again and play footy again or whatever it might be. Pick up the kids again. So yeah,
yes, I know.
They're the best compliments ever. There's ripple-on effects.
So Ninja, I'm going to work on your calves now.
Yeah, man.
Just working on them. You okay?
Good. Soaking it up.
Yeah, there it goes. You can actually feel it's just spreading underneath your hand.
It's magic, mate.
Do you have a high pain threshold, Ninja?
Oh, well, I'm around you every couple of weeks, aren't I? Does that answer your question? Every Thursday I'll see you as well. I reckon I'm a bit of a bloody comedian. What do you reckon?
I know.
We've
got a new skill set there.
Dad jokes.
All right, so with this one here, I'm going to just pick up your soleus, the medial part, and I'm going to just do that. Just move away. You okay there, Ninja?
Yeah, mate. Very good. Whoa.
Yeah, gastros.
Whoa.
Yes. Yeah.
Whoa. That's good, man.
Oh, that's tight there.
Yeah, spot. Bit of a rope.
There we go. Just in there, that there. You can feel it. There.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yep.
All right.
Ah, dear.
I know. Just 10 more seconds.
Yep. Feel it going now. Surrendering. Trust ya.
Thank you, mate. That's what I want.
Yeah. Yeah, mate.
I'm not going to cause you any unnecessary pain.
Yeah.
So I'll just do one of these.
Sort of demonstrates to me at the end that you've cleared all this stuff. You're showing me your work.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's
definitely.
Yeah, it's solidifying it in, you know, connecting it. Oh, it's worth it. Oh,
I know, mate. I know.
It's good.
Even that guy agreed.
Yeah, he's on.
Honking away.
Yeah, it's like he kicked a goal, mate.
Brilliant. Okay. Now that we've done this, I'm going to get Ninja up, and I'm going to do just a couple of strength exercises for his soleus. Okay, just as an example. So we've got a pole here.
Pole.
And he's not going to do any pole dancing, but
No.
what I want you to do is I want you to be doing a squatting, but I don't want you to put your head exactly. Now, what I want you to do is lift up that's on your toes. Great. Now, stand up. Now, okay, put them down, and do it again. Slowly, and lift up and stand up. Okay, no, okay, do it again, please. So what I want you to do this time is, okay, there, lift your feet up. Great. Now put them down. Now stand up.
Oh, yeah.
Because I want that straight, okay?
Yeah.
Got a little stretch. Do it again, please. Lift up your toes, stay there 3 seconds. Okay, put them down and up. Okay, and do it once more. Down, up, put them down and up. Okay, and do a set of 10 of those. So you make sure that your knee doesn't go over your toes,
Yep.
trying to keep your tibia straight. Okay, so to be effective. The other thing I want you to do is so we're doing like a glute bridge race, but putting your feet on that.
Toes on it.
Toes on it, yeah. Toes, please, toes. So, no, so your toes first. On your toes, okay. Now, I'm going to hold it here. So you lift up, you do plantar flexion, not your body first, just your feet. Plantar flexion, now raise up. Okay, hold it, okay, and down. Plantar flex, and up, and down. Okay, do 2 more of those. Plantar flex, that's it. And up, and down, good. Once more, plantar flex. Put your glute down first, and then, no. Your glute down first.
You're gonna fucking do a fat lock.
Good, down, and now, okay, all right. Now do it once more. Plantar flex, lift up, and down. Okay, now we're gonna cause him some more pain. Lift up again, no, down. Plantar flex first, and lift up. Glute, really raise. That's it, that's better. That's it, and down. Just once more, Ninja, and you're done. And now up, glute bridge, really raise. That's it. Well done. And down. Okay, that's it. All right, guys. If you're an athlete, you're a sportsman of any sort, you need your calves and your cilia treated. So book with us. Come and see us. We'll release those and do some exercise with you to strengthen them and get into a good habit so you're actually quite viable to play your sport at the best of your ability. Okay, so thank you guys. Talk to you soon.
Done.